stop by and take a look at the 2023 Rio 5-Door. The Kia Rio 5-Door vehicle is a compact hatchback with a newly designed and improved interior. The Rio 5-Door also comes with an improved technology package that features its tablet-like touchscreen. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, front wheel drive, variable speed, intermittent wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.